And welcome back to another video of gaming and stocks. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button if you haven't done already. And for those who are coming back, thank you very much for coming back. I just did my first gaming video last week, or a couple of days ago, so definitely go check that out. Today we are going to talk about option trading, because honestly lately the stock market has been kind of weird. Yes, you could get some huge profits in other areas, but what happens when, for example, you are dealing with your stock being down 30-40%, and you're like, well, how am I going to make my money back if I don't want to lose this much? The number one thing, or something that a lot of people do, is option trading. Now in this video in particular, I'm not going to show you how to option trade. I'm just going to show you one or two examples on how you can make additional income even when you have a small portfolio. If you actually go to YouTube and you obviously just press option trading for beginners, as you guys can see up here, you get tons and tons and tons and tons of videos explaining to you how you can turn, or how you could do option trading and get more and more money. When you see some of these videos like, oh, you could get 60,000 in 1 month, yes, but don't forget, you have to have a huge portfolio. You have to have a lot of money in your portfolio in order to get that much money. So this, I'm gonna give you the brutal honest opinion of option trading, and how, for example, you could find something that maybe you could get additional money. I won't say that you're gonna get $1 million each week, but you are gonna get 10-20 bucks a week. Definitely doable. Now we're gonna jump into Robinhood real quick, and I'm gonna show you a particular stock that I do like. It's kind of, this is running for $6.88. It is Context Logic, or with the ticker symbol of WISH. They do engage in the operation of online marketplace. Obviously, everybody knows about WISH. You get tons of stuff on there for pretty cheap prices. Now, it has gotten beaten down lately. As you guys can see right here, 688. I think the lowest it's gone was 674. Last week, it was going for around $9. It did IPO. It did come to the market, and they were saying that it was going to be more than $20, etc., etc. It went up to 15, and then it since has crashed down all the way to 31. Imagine that. That's freaking, that sucks. Anyways, so the number one thing that you could do, especially if you have Robinhood, I mean, you guys could look at your platform and see how much the fee is to do option trading. Robinhood itself, they don't charge you to do that, so it's pretty much free for you to trade and free for you to do option trading, which you should definitely take advantage of. When you're ready to do some options, you press on trade, and then you look at right here: buy call, buy put, sell call, sell put. You could have multiple strategies going in, and I'll show you this calculator right here. You could have a lot of stuff going on. I mean, look at all these options that you could do. Obviously, in that green right here, you can see that's where you mostly profit, etc., etc. But for right now, I'm just going to show you guys a call and a put on how to do that. So when you sell a call, don't forget, you have to have 100 shares of that particular stock. So $100 times 688, that's $688. If you don't have that amount of cash or that amount of money in your portfolio, it's okay. You could buy a call. Right now, what you will pay is this price right here times 100. So 57 cents times 100, you're gonna end up paying $57. That is a better price, and it shows you down here, at 707, right? So you picked this one at 707. If it increases above that, you start getting unlimited profit. Now, this is highly risky, so be careful when doing something like that. If you sell a put, all you have to have is this amount of money times 100. Yes, a lot of people tell you, oh, well, you don't have to have that much money. Yeah, you know, you could sell a call, you could buy a put, etc., etc. You could pay $9, for example. You could pay $9, and if it drops under $591, you could get literally $591. Now it looks good, but be careful, because a lot of things can change. You can get that money, but you could also lose a lot of money. Say for example, right here, if Wish drops under or if it goes higher than 591, you actually lose all your money, which is just $9, because that is your max loss that you're putting in. If it drops under 591, you are able to win X amount of money, which your max profit would be 591. Definitely take a look into that, right? What I like to do, for example, Wish is great for me. There's another one that I really am playing a lot of option trading with. As you guys can see, we're here currently going for $2.66. I do have, or I have been selling some calls. Say for example, when I first got it, it was worth I believe $20 something, $25, oh, $18, and then I bought another one for $19. So that's the amount of credit that I get. Definitely take a look at it. I mean, I don't want to make this video too long because it is incredibly long, the amount of research that you have to do before you do option trading. But SOS, going for $2.66, I mean, if you times that to 100, you only have to have $266 in your portfolio, which I believe is totally doable. This, if you sell a $3 call, whenever I bought this, it was at $19, so I got $19 in credit. Right now it's worth $6, and then it tells you right here I'm at 67% profit. If you keep doing that every week, every other week, you can get, for example here, $37. The following week after that, you get another $25. That's already $57 that you can get back, right? So if I'm already down $151 and I get, you know, $56 back, I'm only down $100. You get what I mean? Do the math. Definitely put that into perspective. If you need a better idea on how option trading goes, you could obviously go into YouTube, press into option trading for beginners, learn a little bit, take some notes, go to this option strat website, build something, you know, super quick, like the cover call. Say for example, type in whichever you're doing, you come back in here, oh, you know, I'm selling an option at $2.50 or whatever. You know, you could come back in here and see, oh, what's my profit on Friday, you know, September 3rd, let's say. You know, if I do it all the way over there, that is $19 in profit. You could obviously play around with all this. For example, if I go into trade and I sell a call because I do have 100 shares, this Friday I could get $6 or $2. If I actually go out a couple of weeks, it goes up $17 and $10, etc., etc., etc. This is a great opportunity for you to get your money back if you are struggling with just holding your stocks. But definitely be careful, because I am not your financial advisor. Go consult your financial advisor, and don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button, because I will see you guys next time, and hopefully this video helped you out, and I will do another video that goes more into detail. But until then, I will see you guys next time on Gaming and Stocks.